guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing my after school night routine. I don't know why I do quotation marks. Anyways, so I'm just gonna get on to it. I would explain what I'm gonna do today, but you'll see. So school just ended. I get off at 12:10. Today's Monday, and I think right now I'm gonna go get myself something to eat because I'm hungry. Why was that so loud? Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna be making, I don't know what I'm gonna be making. I ain't feeling it. Ugh. Disgusting. I hate quizzes. I hate school. I've been addicted to Dance Moms recently. Okay, so I'm about to go to cheer. It's not cheer, it's like fitting for our outfits. So yeah. See y'all later, probably at youth group, because I have youth group at 6:30 and I think it ends then. Okay. Love you. Love you. Bye. Oh! Wait, hold on. I'm sorry, I haven't been coming up my chocolate.
He's ignoring you.
Oh, okay. Hold up. Wait, hold up. What are we doing? Hang on. Okay. Wall. Ready? No, wait, stop. Hold on. Stop. Patience. Wait, I'm trying to do something.
Is that how you do the move?
Stop. Wait, actually.
And Zoe's a little nervous now.
Okay, I'm a little bit nervous. Hang on. After she dropped me on my head. Just then you have to hang on me. What are you doing?
What was that?
Hang on to me. Ready? Hold on. Ready? Hold on.
Actually, I like it.
Whoa! Are you trying to jump? Yeah. Oh no, I should probably hang on. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, I swear. If I don't make it out of this alive.
Let's not do that.
What? Don't worry. Let's go. Okay. Hey, where'd you put my tongue? I don't know where I put your tongue.
Nope, I didn't hear that one.
That was probably me. No.
It's really cool.
Wait. When's leaving?
No, I can't get to
Youth
eat.
group's over. I know. Sad. See you tomorrow, though. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow at cheer. Say hi. Hi. Gwen. I'm gonna clean my room because it is in desperate need of a clean.
I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke. But we still got love to give while we're young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
I'm just gonna watch something and I'm waiting for this to finish rendering. Don't look at my face, but look, it's rendering. I'm waiting for the video to upload, finish, doing its thing. Yeah.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of
This is where I'm gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, or night, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.